Every great adventure needs a well-planned route, and the journey of DRPZ is no different. Similarly, DRPZ operates on a clear and concise token distribution model, ensuring transparency and trust within the community, while strategic allocation to different funds fuels the project's growth and sustainability, making sure every aspect is well supported. The majority of DRPZ tokens are allocated to the liquidity pool, ensuring smooth trading and price stability, which is crucial for investor confidence. The development fund supports ongoing improvements to the Everything Bite-sized platform and the creation of new, engaging educational content, keeping the platform innovative and relevant. Marketing and community engagement are crucial for any successful project, helping to spread awareness and foster a loyal user base. DRPZ allocates a portion of its tokens to reach a wider audience and build a thriving community of learners, ensuring that knowledge and resources are accessible to all. Finally, a reserve fund ensures the project's long-term stability and ability to adapt to future challenges, providing a safety net for unforeseen circumstances. This balanced approach to token economics ensures that $DRPZ remains a sustainable and valuable asset for years to come, benefiting both the project and its community. Inflation is a word often met with concern and anxiety. However, in the world of $DRPZ, a small amount of annual inflation is actually a good thing and can be quite beneficial. The 1% rate, similar to the natural growth of a tree, benefits the entire ecosystem by providing steady and sustainable growth. This controlled inflation incentivizes long-term holding and active participation within the Everything Bite-sized community, fostering a sense of loyalty and engagement. As the project grows and more users join, the demand for $DRPZ increases, potentially leading to price appreciation and greater value for all holders. Moreover, the inflationary model allows for sustainable rewards and incentives for content creators and active community members, ensuring ongoing contributions. This creates a virtuous cycle where everyone benefits from the platform's growth and success, reinforcing the community's strength. Think of it like tending a garden, where each small effort contributes to the overall health. A little bit of care and attention, in this case, controlled inflation, ensures that the garden remains healthy and flourishing, thriving for years to come, allowing users to buy, sell and trade it just like any other digital asset. Its value is influenced by market dynamics, making it a crucial component of the system. The faux token, on the other hand, operates within the project's ecosystem. It is designed to be a more user-friendly and accessible version of the main token. Think of it as a simplified version of the main token, designed for ease of use. It allows users to interact with the system without the need for deep technical knowledge or understanding of complex financial concepts. The dual token system creates a seamless interaction between the main and faux tokens. Users can easily convert faux tokens to main tokens and vice versa, providing flexibility and convenience. This system opens up new possibilities for everyday transactions, making it easier for people to use cryptocurrency in their daily lives. Whether it's buying a cup of coffee or paying for online services, the dual token system simplifies the process. As we move towards a more digital economy, innovations like the dual token system will play a crucial role in shaping the future of finance. By making cryptocurrency more accessible and user-friendly, it paves the way for broader adoption and integration into our daily lives. The tale of two tokens is just beginning, and its impact on the world of digital finance is yet to be fully realized. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the exciting developments in the world of cryptocurrencies. Let's meet Alice and Bob, two individuals exploring this dual token system. Alice decides to purchase some main tokens. She goes through the standard process of using a cryptocurrency exchange. Once purchased, her main tokens are stored securely in her digital wallet. Bob, however, wants to participate in activities within the project's platform. This is where faux tokens come in. Bob can easily acquire these tokens within the platform itself. Bob doesn't need to worry about converting his real money into cryptocurrency or dealing with any complex financial transactions. He simply uses the faux tokens, which are easy to manage and understand. The beauty of this system is that Bob doesn't have to worry about the complexities of gas fees or the fluctuating value of the main token. Gas fees, which are often a concern in many blockchain transactions, are completely eliminated here. Bob can focus on enjoying the game without any financial stress. The value of the faux tokens remains stable, providing a consistent and predictable experience. Imagine Alice wants to tip Bob for his insightful prediction. Alice, who also uses the platform, appreciates Bob's accurate predictions and wants to show her gratitude. She decides to send him a tip using the same faux tokens. She can easily transfer some of her faux tokens to him within the platform. The process is straightforward and user-friendly. Alice doesn't need to understand the intricacies of blockchain technology or worry about transaction fees. She simply selects the amount she wants to tip and sends it to Bob with a few clicks. The process is seamless and doesn't require any complicated blockchain transactions. Both Bob and Alice can enjoy the benefits of digital currency without the usual hassles. This user-friendly approach makes the platform accessible to everyone regardless of their technical expertise. It's a perfect blend of simplicity and efficiency, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience for all users. The dual token system offers several advantages. For developers, it simplifies the development process. They can focus on building a user-friendly platform without the complexities of integrating with multiple blockchains. For users, the faux token system provides a more accessible entry point into the world of cryptocurrencies. They can engage with the platform, participate in activities, and learn the ropes without the barriers of complex transactions and volatile market fluctuations. A fortress of security, blockchain snapshots, and user responsibility. Security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrencies. This dual token system employs robust security measures, including regular blockchain snapshots. Imagine taking a picture of the entire blockchain at a specific moment in time. These snapshots serve as records, making it extremely difficult for malicious actors to manipulate transactions or steal funds. While the system prioritizes security, user responsibility remains crucial. Users must safeguard their wallets and private keys diligently. This dual token system is not just about the tokens themselves. It's about fostering a vibrant community and providing valuable resources. This project envisions a comprehensive ecosystem that includes an educational YouTube channel. This channel will break down complex cryptocurrency concepts into easily digestible bites, empowering users with knowledge. It will also offer a platform for users to connect, share their experiences, and engage in meaningful discussions. The community forum will be a place where users can ask questions, offer advice, and support each other in their crypto journeys, and learn from one another. By fostering a sense of community, we aim to create an environment where everyone feels welcome and empowered to learn and grow. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete novice, our platform will provide the resources and support you need to succeed in the world of cryptocurrency, embracing the future potential and plans for growth. This dual token system, coupled with the educational resources, has the potential to onboard a new wave of cryptocurrency enthusiasts. By simplifying the user experience and providing valuable knowledge, the project aims to make crypto accessible to everyone. The future plans include expanding the platform's functionalities, introducing new features, and fostering strategic partnerships to enhance the ecosystem. The goal is to create a thriving community where users can learn, engage, and grow together. Join me as we journey deeper into this exciting frontier, uncovering the mechanics, benefits, and potential challenges of real and faux token systems. As we stand on the brink of this new era, the possibilities are endless, and the potential for positive change is immense. Planet Earth is full of wonders, a place where every corner holds a new surprise. From the rainforest's vibrant colors, teeming with life and energy, to the ocean's hidden depths, where mysteries await discovery, there's always something new to discover, something that captures our imagination. Today, our journey takes us to the exciting world of cryptocurrency, a digital frontier full of potential and innovation. Here, we explore a unique digital sweet sugar Dropz, also known as $DRPZ, a token that's making waves. Imagine a world where learning is fun, engaging, and rewarding, a place where education meets entertainment. That's the vision behind Everything Bite-Sized, the YouTube channel making knowledge accessible to everyone, everywhere. And at the heart of this ecosystem lies DRPZ, the token adding tangible value to the learning experience, making it more enriching. DRPZ isn't just another digital token, it's a gateway to a new way of learning and interacting. It's a key that unlocks a world of possibilities within the Everything Bite-Sized community, offering endless opportunities. Holders can access exclusive content, gaining insights and knowledge that are not available to everyone, participate in exciting contests and giveaways, adding a layer of fun and engagement, and even have a say in the channel's future direction, shaping the content and community. But what makes DRPZ truly special is its commitment to simplicity and transparency, ensuring trust and clarity. Its innovative approach to token economics and technology makes it an attractive option for both seasoned crypto enthusiasts and newcomers taking their first steps into this exciting new world, ready to explore and learn. DRPZ is built on the robust and efficient Waves platform, known for its speed, scalability, and low transaction fees. Just as a flowing river effortlessly navigates its course, transactions on the Waves blockchain are swift and cost-effective. This technological advantage is crucial for a token like DRPZ, which aims to facilitate seamless microtransactions within the everything bite-sized ecosystem. Users can reward their favorite content creators, participate in contests, or access exclusive content without worrying about high fees or long processing times. The Waves platform also boasts a user-friendly interface, making it easy for anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, to manage their $DRPZ tokens. This accessibility is key to achieving $DRPZ's vision of making crypto simple and accessible to everyone. This system is not just a theoretical idea, but a practical solution to some of the challenges faced by the cryptocurrency community. Imagine a system with two types of tokens, a main token and a faux token. These tokens work in tandem to create a more versatile and efficient ecosystem. This dual token system is designed to make cryptocurrency more accessible and user-friendly. By simplifying the user experience, it aims to attract a broader audience, including those who may be intimidated by the complexities of traditional cryptocurrencies. The main token is the backbone of the system. It holds real-world value and is used for trading on cryptocurrency exchanges. This token is what gives the system its financial credibility and stability. Joining the Dropz family. Embarking on a new adventure can be daunting, but the DRPZ community welcomes everyone with open arms. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a curious newcomer, there's a place for you in the Dropz family. Joining is as easy as visiting the Everything Bite-Sized YouTube channel, reading the Whitepaper, and reaching out to the friendly community moderators. You'll find a supportive and helpful community eager to share their knowledge and passion for $DRPZ. The DRPZ community isn't just about trading tokens. It's about learning, growing, and making a tangible difference in the world of education. Together, we can create a sweeter future, one block at a time. A sweet conclusion. Our journey into the world of Dropz, or DRPZ, ends here, but the adventure is just beginning. Like a seed that grows into a mighty tree, DRPZ has the potential to revolutionize how we learn, engage, and interact with educational content. With its simple yet effective token economics, robust technology, and passionate community, DRPZ is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a movement towards a brighter, more educated future. So why not grab a DRPZ token today and join us on this exciting journey? Together we can make learning sweeter for everyone.